Hey guys, so today we are going to make fireworks in a jar or glass, whichever you have, okay? So what you're going to need is a glass with some water in it, or a jar, some oil, various colors of food coloring, and a spoon, okay? So what you're going to do, alright? So first, I'm going to put the water aside, and we're going to work with the oil first. So we're going to just do a few drops of each color. How cool is that? See, look, they're still in they're still in drop form because food coloring is water-based, and water and oil do not mix. Hey, Okie baby. I know you're just curious as to what's going on here, huh, bud? Okay. Now I've got all these various water drop colors in there in the oil. Now I'm just gonna kind of stir it up a little bit. Now if you notice, it broke them up a little bit more into some more water drops, and like I said earlier, water and oil do not mix, so it just separates them a little bit more rather than mixes them. And I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to get my water here, and I'm going to carefully pour it in there. Ooh, it's almost to the top. Now, we're going to see if there's any fireworks that happen, okay? There it is. There's fireworks. How cool is that? And see, what happens is that the color drops, the drops of color in there, since they're water-based, they float down to the bottom because they're heavier than the oil, and all the colors being released into the water. How cool is that, guys? That is awesome. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. So try it at home as well, okay, guys? And see if y'all could, how many fireworks that y'all could see bursting in the jar, okay? All right, I send my love to all of y'all. Remember the class rules. Love yourself, love others. Bye-bye.